I don't know, Jeb. I don't know. I just don't know. Procharger's coming tomorrow, so yes, I'll be starting tomorrow.
Okay. This one's getting a Procharger? Ooh.
Yeah, I think it's getting a Whipple.
Ooh. Yeah, good one. Good one, dude. Good one.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
How long did that chip? Didn't that chip wreck you for like a week?
Just a day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, you say your insides felt like it was gonna fall out or something?
Yeah, I mean, it's just intense stomach pain.
Yeah, you woke up in the middle of the night and dying. You said.
It was worse, like, probably like 2 hours after I ate the thing. I was home, and it just hit me out of nowhere.
Take some Pepto-Bismol before I fucking take that challenge.
Yeah, just take some Tums before and after. I don't know. I don't know if I could do that for that.
And the new one's apparently worse.
Yeah, it would have to be a little more.
They come
than
out with
that.
a new one every year. Like they have a 2021 chip. Next year that. I'll say he'd do it for $350. Put that on camera. Put that on camera.
I'll do it for $350.
I would have done it the first. I did it for free.
So everyone, if we could, you know, I'll scrounge some money together. If everybody else wants to add in, get the 350 mark. I got to see him do it, and that's with the hot sauce on the chip.
Which hot sauce are we using? The one that the guy sent in?
The one that's 2 million Scoville units.
Yeah, isn't somebody sending that in?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when we get
so
that.
the one chip, we have to get a chip, and then he's going to put the hot sauce on the chip. Amber's like, yeah, well, it's going to be a little puppy and everything. I'm like, well, you do understand that those
That's
things.
the worst part.
Those things
Oh,
as a
no.
puppy are not small.
You want to get a dog?
Getting a dog?
Well, we watched my parents' little Yorkie this weekend, and we were always talking about it, getting a dog. But after he's so good. Like all he does is just chill there. But the fact that he wakes us up at 6 in the morning to go out to the bathroom, like, we both,
I was gonna say.
we both look at each other and we're like, yeah, we're not ready to get a dog yet. Especially fucking that, like the dog we want. So,
What kind you want to get?
German short hair pointer.
What is that?
It's a German dog. It's got short hair and a pointer.
Yeah, GSP.
I don't know. I've never seen him. Not too.
I'll guarantee you've seen one.
I don't necessarily know what it is by the name, but
What did you say about GHB?
GSP. German short hair.
George
pointer.
St. Pierre.
Yeah.
She put one Christmas tree up in our house, and this one.
Rich people got more than one.
No, the small one that we had from last year, which is like a normal 8-foot one, but now that we have tall ceilings in the new house, we bought a new one. It's like 14 foot tall or some shit. I don't know how big it is.
Rich.
Yeah. I don't know how big it is, but
She was saying, like KP was saying last week, she's like, it's only 1 month till Christmas. I'm like, no, it's not.
yeah.
Not yet.
It was more, but when Amber decorated last week, it was closer to 2 months before.
It was closer to Halloween than it is to Christmas.
I said to KP, I was like, I can't imagine how mad Eric was. When
I said that, you know, Rachel posted that picture of Bill and Grayson yesterday, and I see like the happy fall in the fireplace. I'm like, see, that's the shit you should be putting in the house.
Yeah, not fucking Christmas.
Yeah, I
shit.
said not fucking. We got stockings hanging from the
Already? No way.
Yeah, dude.
See, dude, KP would do that in September if I let her. She loves Christmas.
Amber had the fucking happy fall shit up in June.
What? No, she didn't.
Yeah, she did.
That's great.
Hashtag ready for pumpkin spice July 4th.
Yeah, I have like a blow up like turkey thing in my front yard just because
Yeah.
Frankie loves the little blow up things. And we had them for Halloween and shit like that, and now we have just like a turkey one. But dude, that's so funny.
Da, 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 da,
That's what his voice sounds like.
You okay, Matt?
Like Matt said, if he sounds like that, then what the f does My Chemical Romance sound like?
My Chemical Romance is an amazing band.
Got a stage 3.
Stage 3?
Yep.
basically head cam, headers, intake. This guy, MSD manifold, flex fuel, catch can. That's it. Frankenstein heads, American Racing headers, our cam package, MSD, Nick Williams, DSX flex fuel. That's it.
See what it makes.
Got it.
You said this is flex fuel, right?
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
So we're gonna do E on this as well.
Yes, we will.
Right.
We'll probably make another 30 on E, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it made before.
It was 430, I believe.
So I'll pick up 150.
Yeah. I'll have to double check on the baseline video because I just watched that the other day, but
Yeah.
I think it was around that, like 425-ish. So that's not bad.
Not at all.
So is it a little higher percent content now?
Nah.
Nah.
We dumped a bunch of E and it stayed the same.
Stay the same. What was it? The last one was like 40 or something?
32. Now it's at 53.
Okay. That's good. Now we can get some.
Yeah, it won't pick up a bunch more, but I'd like to make 600, but I don't know if it's gonna happen.
Yeah, we might have to put you down. Alzheimer's is really gonna get him.
Dude, I can't joke about that stuff because, like, I feel like if I joke about stuff like that, it's actually
Yeah,
gonna
I
happen.
know.
It's actually
You
gonna
fucking
happen.
got
To me.
you're getting worried. You've already told me about this. I can't talk about cancer because if I do, I might get it.
It's just like bad omens, man. You just.
Yeah, Jesus is gonna come down and give you it. That's what's gonna happen.
The Lord can take it and he can give it.
Yeah. We got so many names for you, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's so kind. All of them are so endearing.
I haven't watched the video in a while, but I'm sure if I did, I'd hear you in the background the whole time going while you're filming.
I try and cut most of this out.
You like to hum while you film, dude.
Well, I do that all the
Whistle
time.
while you work, I guess.
I do that all the time, yeah.
Whistle while you work.
I tend to whistle, or I just go or like a little doo-doo, shit like that. I don't know.
Yeah, I know. I see it.
It's probably
I see you getting a little worried about it every day.
I mean, I imagine if you believe in a T-Rex, you believe in anything.
no way. Got headers, Ram.
Headers in a Ram?
Yeah.
I don't think it's 490.
490.
Say 480.
480. All right. All right. 490 has it.
No? They got against SS's or something like that.
She rode that Harley today, pussy.
Dude, cold ride's the best. Yeah.
You can't feel your fingers and shit, like.
Yeah. That sucks ass, dude.
Yeah, I gotta get that thing over my parents.
Your fucking ears start hurting. Now we're like, I don't know about Matt.
No, exactly. That's another thing. He don't
Matt doesn't wear helmets. Living life on the edge.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's badass.
I was gonna say hard ass, but yeah, what that works too.
Yeah, so is hard ass. That works as well. God, somebody said something about you in the video the other day and I was dying.
What was it?
I don't know. I didn't want to hurt your feelings on Friday.
No. Oh, well, you didn't.
I forget what he said, but I was like, oh my God.
Oh, somebody said something that I look like a guy that cries to techno music in his car.
Yeah, that's
Is that it?
That's it.
Somebody commented.
Jesus Christ, the camera guy looks like a guy who fucking listens to fucking, what do you say?
Techno music.
And cries in his car.
Yeah, I mean they weren't like too far off with that one though.
Oh yeah, you cry in your car after work?
No, because I listen to electronic music, so it's in the same realm. But I usually don't cry in my car.
Kyle, I think, listens to fucking My Chemical Romance and cries in his car after work.
Okay.
Oh, coming from the guy who fucking burps 300 times a day. I'm fine.
I'm not though.
Mine comes out my ass, yours comes out your mouth. Get the fuck out of here.
I rarely ever burp.
Oh my God. Wait until Matt gets out here.
This is gonna be.
I rarely ever burp.
Oh my God. The fact that you just said that, I'm gonna die. Matt and I were just saying the other day, we've never heard anybody in our lives burp as much as you.
What? What's Tyler saying now?
Oh, it wasn't me this time.
But I don't Matt and I were talking about it the other day. He's like,
I don't burp at all.
"Who's fucking burping." He's like, I never burp. I say it fucking time. I said, dude, you fucking burp more than anybody I know. He goes, I never burp.
Yes, you do. Is this how these clock like this?
Yeah.
So it comes like a U and down?
Right around here.
Man, it sucks that there's not enough room to clock it down and like come like right here. You know what I mean?
I know, man.
Granted, it would have to be like a 90 out of the blower to like do that hard thing, but I mean, Procharger kits are they're fairly nice for what they are. I mean, there's only so much you can do in a stock engine bay.
Yeah, I know.
So you gotta do the meth next.
Yeah.
And then that about wraps this one up.
I gotta do a boost to pump in it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it should pick up some good power with this setup, right?
I hope so.
I would hope, considering there's a Procharger strapped to it now.
There's just a few more things I have to do on this, like run some boost lines and stuff like that. I'm gonna go get the bumper now. Put the bumper on. But I have to put a new harness in the bumper, so.
What's the, is it for like the proximity sensors or what is it for?
Yeah, the one when I took the bumper apart, whoever did the holding shit on the front, I guess, broke the clip on the like the main harness, and they had it get the plug taped together.
Nice.
So I don't like putting shit together back together like that. So I just had to go get a new harness.
It's good on you, man.
Yeah.
Always taking care of the customers.
Yeah, for the most part. I mean, it's there.
If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow us on our social medias and stay tuned for the next one.